Hey, we got the baby. Oh, hey, baby horse. How you doing, buddy? And we got the mama right there. Hey, buddy boy. Come on, little horsey. That's a baby. Oh, you're cute, aren't you? That's a cute horse. It's your boy, East Bet Chef. Another day at work. Taking care of the horses. Taming them. Cleaning stalls. And then I cleaned out some guest houses too. A little sweeping and dusting. Oh, it's a good boy. You're silly. Say hi to everybody. You silly face. You silly horse. You want all the love and attention. Let's see if we can get a hello shot. Oh, we got one. We got one. We got a hello shot from the horse. Hey, Bubby. Eat my pants. Eat my pants.